What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one, man. Look at Christine back there looking nice and pretty. Oh, you guys just seen it, right? You guys see what's in my hand? And you guys pretty sure you guys seen the thumbnail and read the title. There you go, man. It is officially starting. So I know a lot of people have been asking me, man, you know, when is it going to start? When is it going to start? When is it going to start? Here you go, man. It's going to start now. Although today is the 10th, by the time this video goes up, it'll probably be the 12th. So the 12th will be the official date of it starting, man. Alright, man, well, there you go, man. Hope you guys don't mind. I'm gonna do the rest of the video in the car. Just a little bit more comfortable, to be honest. But anyway, so yeah, man, so you guys see the thumbnail, you guys seen the title, you guys see the raffle tickets here. I went ahead and ordered the raffle tickets. So let's get the show on the road. So if you don't know, man, this is the raffle for the wheels on my car, man. So these are the Hellcat wheels, the 100% authentic, you know, not the replicas. These are the Hellcat wheels that came with the car, that came on Christine when I bought her, with the Dynamics package, man. So it has the original wheels and tires. So these are for the wheels and tires. So they're 275 40s, I believe, on the front, and 275 35 on the back, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, but they are 275s. Like I said, it's the same setup that comes on the Hellcats. You know, like I said, the original wheels. So 20 by 9.5 all the way around with, like I said, 275s on them. Anyway, man, so like I said, just the stock setup on the Hellcat. So like I said, these are original authentic wheels from Dodge, not the replicas. You know, these are the ones that came on the car with the Dynamics package, man. So there you go. So these are the raffle. This video is the raffle for that. Obviously, from here on out, from here for the next month, I will, every single video I make, I will be, you know, obviously shouting it out and saying, hey, don't forget about the raffles, on and so forth, and then we keep it moving from there, man. So let's talk about what are the rules for entry for this raffle. Now, bear in mind, man, this is the first time I'm doing something like this, man. So I wanted to make sure that I got, you know, I had most of my ducks in a row, because if you guys don't know, if this is your first video of you watching me, you know, I like to keep everything 100% authentic, 100% genuine. I'm not here to take anybody's money or you know, anything like that, man, to make you guys feel like you guys are just giving money away to, you know, to put in my pockets, man, because that's not what I'm trying to do. But I am in the market to get some other wheels, right? As I said before, if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I am in the market to get some other wheels. So naturally, what I was going to do is I was going to sell my wheels. But then I thought of, you know, that's just my natural way of thinking. But then I was like, wait, you know, I am on YouTube now. I'm doing YouTube. So why not open up, you know, the wheels, or you know, why not open up the opportunity for people to get my wheels on YouTube, man, for a subscriber, for a supporter, whatever the case, you know, open up the opportunity. But with that being said, I know a lot of people for some reason getting upset about it, like you know, they feel like I should be giving them away, and that's just not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, Captain, because you know, these are at least worth 2K, man. So I'm not gonna give away 2K worth of wheels and tires for free. I'm not at that point of my life on YouTube or anything else to be able to give away 2K worth of stuff for free. Just not gonna happen. Now, maybe in the future, 2 or 3 years from now, we never know, and I'll do actual giveaways at that point. So right now, it'll be a raffle. I do have a certain number that I want to hit, which is $2,000 basically. So once I get the $2,000, you know, we'll go ahead and well, if we get the 2K by that month, because I'll run it for a month, then like I said, we'll do the giveaway, or you know, we'll do the drawing, I guess. Not the giveaway. I got to be careful with the words I'm saying. So we'll do the drawing for whoever won. So with that, man, like I said, so I had to bear with me, man, because I had to write down the different things I wanted to, you know, that I wanted to highlight, because I wanted to make sure, like, again, I wanted to make sure that I hit most of these things and I didn't leave anything out, man. Again, this is my first time doing anything like this, so I just want to make sure that it's fair across the board. So I am going to be, if you're wondering what I'm going to be looking at, I'm going to be looking at this piece of paper that I got with me, just to make sure that I'm hitting, you know, most of these things, man. So what are the rules for entry, man? First things you got to do is you got to sub to this channel, right? You're watching it, right? And if you want a chance to win these wheels, you got to sub to this channel. So if you're not subbed already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because obviously you're going to make sure that you are in the loop of what's going on with the raffle and everything else, man, where we're at, right? If you're already subbed and got that notification bell, man, I greatly appreciate it. You guys are going to be in the loop. Also, the other thing you got to do is follow me on IG, man. It's going to be on the bottom of the screen. Fatkat8181, man. Follow me on IG if you're not already following me there. If you are following me there, again, I greatly appreciate it. If not, just hit that, go to IG, man, hit that follow. I know some people don't have IG, so if you don't have IG, that's fine. But like I said, I would appreciate for those that do have it, go on IG right now and follow me on IG, man. Third thing is, obviously, send the $5 to PayPal. Now, with that, right, so I did set up a PayPal, right? You can send it to the email that's on the PayPal. It's going to be on the bottom of the screen as well. So with that, right, I know people have already been asking questions like, how many tickets can I buy and things like that. It's unlimited, man. So you could buy one ticket for $5, or you could buy 20 tickets. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you. So obviously, the more tickets you buy, the more of a chance you have to win. But again, that's up to you. I don't care. You know, if you want to do 20 tickets, obviously that'll be $100, and you'll get, you know, you'll get your tickets, right? You get your 20 tickets. If you only want one ticket, you send $5, and there you go, man. So obviously, whenever you send them, you know, whenever you send the money, I'll be able to see it, and then I'll be able to say, okay, this person must have won. Well, actually, you know what? That's a good idea. Once you put in there, make sure you put, you know, just so it's in the notes, man, and everybody's 100%, say, you know, if you put $100 and put in the notes, purchasing, you know, this many tickets, right? 20 tickets or whatever. So, and that way it's just 100%. Everybody's on the same page and on the same level. I mean, the same, you know, like I said, again, just on the same page. So there's no misunderstandings, man. So that way, you know, I don't want you to come back and be like, oh, yeah, I gave you 100, but I only wanted to buy, you know, 5 tickets. So I want to change back. And what? You know what I'm saying? So make sure you put in the little notes, man. If you want more than one ticket, put in there, or actually, no matter how many you purchase, you know, purchasing 1 ticket, 2 tickets, 5 tickets, 10 tickets. And obviously it just has to correspond with the amount of money that I see that came through on there. So, so anyway, so the minimum is $5, and then like I said, from there it's unlimited, man. So it's on you after that. In the notes, along with saying how much, you know, how many tickets you're purchasing or intending to purchase, make sure you leave your YouTube and your IG name in that comment section on PayPal. All right, make sure you leave it on there, man, so that way I can match that with, you know, the names on YouTube and IG, man. So that way I know who I'm dealing with and who's, you know, who's basically. Other than that, only other thing I need you to do, man, is come back to this video once you're done with all that and just comment done. That's it. And or in IG, send me a DM, say, hey, I'm done, I did it, or whatever the case, and that way I can match that up as well. So more importantly, here on this video, comment done. But if not, but also if you could send me a DM or whatever the case, man, on IG and say, hey, done. You know, so that way I could match. Just want to make sure I can match everything together, man. That's it. Again, this will run for a month. So like I said, I think this video will go up on the 12th. So basically this will run to July 12th, man. So we'll go from June 12th through July 12th. So on the 13th, if we reach our number, then I'll be doing the drawing. So it'll close July 12th at 11:59 p.m. basically. All right. So all the way through July, through July 12th. July 13th, we'll do the drawing and keep it as such. And I will do an actual drawing not the computer generated, you know, pick a random number. I will do an actual drawing or whatever, and have my kids or whatever. Like, it'll all be on camera, man. Have my kids or somebody, you know, go through the tickets or whatever and pull one out. So so with that, man, I will say when we do select somebody, I will give you let me see, how many days should I give you? I'll give you 3 days. 3 days. All right, so what's that? 36 hours. 36 hours to claim your prize. If you don't claim it, if I don't hear from you, if I don't get an email, if I don't get a whatever, in 36 hours, we're gonna go to the next person. We're gonna do another drawing. All right, so 36 hours. If you don't, if I don't hear anything from you, I'm gonna move on and we're gonna do another drawing and go to the next person. All right, and then we're just gonna keep going like that until we finally get somebody. Anyway, let me see what else. I'm gonna keep everything on XL. Look at my kids there, man.
Hey!
Just finished jiu-jitsu practice.
I was not practicing, but
All right. I tell you, man, I do everything, man. I use my time wisely, man. As they're practicing, I'm doing this stuff and whatever the case. Anyway, let me finish making this video, guys. So, all right, man. So as they're in the car, let me finish making this video. So yeah, so again, I'm gonna keep everything on the XL, so that way I can keep everything, you know, fair across the board, and I keep track of everything and everything else. And I will update every single video, man. So every single video for those people that purchased, those people that whatever, I will put it on, you know, on video and say, hey, so and so, you know, Fatkat, you have ticket, you know, 1022 or whatever the case, right? As an example. So I will, at the end of each video, from the 12th through the 12th of June through the 12th of July, I will comment on every single video who purchased what, or how many, you know, how many tickets they purchased, and I will call out the ticket numbers for each person, man. So that way, you know, everybody knows, man. We could go back to the videos, we could go to the archives and look to say, yep, that person was the one who had that ticket number, man. Like I said, man, I'm trying to keep this 100% across the board with no no, you looking crazy back there. What are you doing? Anyway, man, so with no questions with anybody, man. So, all right, so let me see if I can answer a couple of these questions. Right now, these are some of the questions that I might have thought of. Again, if you guys have other questions, make sure you guys hit them in the comments below, man, and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. But what if you don't reach your 2K goal? Very good question, Fatkat. What if you don't reach that 2K goal? Well, I will refund every single person that put in whatever money that you put in, $5, $100, or whatever the case. So every single ticket that was purchased, if I don't reach that 2K goal, I will refund every single person that you know, that purchased the ticket. All right, and I think in PayPal, I think you can do, you know, refund this amount, refund that amount. So so basically that's what I'm gonna do. So like I said, if I don't reach that 2K goal, expect to get your money back. All right, now what if you make more than 2K? Another good question, Fatkat. What if you make more, right? That's a good question, right?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you give me 10,000 V-Bucks?
It's gotta be V-Bucks. Anyway, man, so what if you reach more than 2K? What if you get more than 2K within that allotted time? Well, am I gonna refund the money, you know, the extra money back? No. But rest assured that I'm not gonna use that money to pay a bill, put it in my pocket, go on vacation, whatever the case, man. So if I was to be blessed enough, right, and if you guys show that much love, where I do make over 2K, or not make, but I do get over 2K with this raffle, then it's gonna go right back into the channel, man. So basically, more mods to the car, things like that, man. It's gonna go right back into this channel, man, to make sure I give you guys good content with that, you know, with that money, man. So it's not gonna go into my pocket where I'm just gonna, oh man, I got an extra, you know, I got an extra $1,000, $2,000 is gonna go in my pocket, and me and the kids gonna go have a nice, you know, a nice dinner, even though he would like that.
Texas to Brazil.
Texas, Brazil. But no, so we're not gonna go have a nice dinner off you guys' hard work, hard-earned money. We're not gonna go on a vacation off of you guys' hard-earned money. We're not gonna do none of that stuff, man. So we are definitely going to, like I said, put that stuff right back into the channel, meaning put it right back into, you know, mods into the car, whatever the case. And like I said, give you guys that good content, man. So there you go. So, but if you guys got any other questions, man, make sure you guys let me know, man. Comment down below, and I'll try my best to go ahead and answer them. Other than that, I think that's it, man. I think that's all it is, man. So there you go. Raffle for the wheels, the Hellcat wheels on Christine, man, starts officially right now, which is 12th of June by the time this video drops. All right, so other than that, man, I greatly appreciate everybody that's been checking in, man, and has been waiting for this raffle. Oh, I will say this though, you guys want to make sure you guys share this video as much as you can, man, or tell people about it, because obviously, like I said, you know, we want to make sure that we reach that goal, because if we don't reach that goal, then, you know, I'm just not going to give I'm not going to do the raffle for the you know, for the wheels. And then obviously, you know, on top of that, although I say, you know, it's cool, you know, the minimum is to purchase one ticket or whatever the case, but, you know, it's just like the lottery system, man. So the more tickets you get, the more chances you have. Simple as that, man. So it's just like the lottery. Like I said, you could buy one ticket and be lucky, or you could buy 10 tickets and, you know, there you go, man. And you just got more, you know, more hands in the pot, basically, to for your number to be called. But totally up to you guys, though. You know, whatever you guys want to do, man, I'm with it, and I greatly appreciate it, man. Anyway, other than that, appreciate you guys for watching the video again, man. Noah's back there hurting, man, because he's hot and sweating.
Without even training.
So, but other than that, man, greatly appreciate you guys for checking out the video again. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. If you got any question, man, like I said, I'll do my best to go ahead and answer them below. And that's it, man. So hopefully it's a good raffle. Like I said, I'll be updating every single video, and we'll go from there, man. Other than that, from me, Noah, and Gianni,
Have a blessed day.
have a very blessed day, man. And of course, man, we'll see you guys on the next one, man.
It's gonna be alright.
What? Okay.
Later.